Today, we are going to learn about macro and micro level sociology. In this module, we see that sociological analysis is basically based on macro and micro level because it involves the whole society. Why? Because there are different kinds of social behaviors, patterns of social relationships, their interactions, and the culture that all makes a society. So when we understand about this thing, that how macro level sociology is a broad and large scale approach, conflict perspective and functionalism, which we examine society as a whole. It gives us a top down analysis, high level of abstraction, social institutions when we try to explain them in their real perspectives. It gives us an analysis of social systems. While we are studying about this analysis, the large population and the structural approach may be used for the macro level of studies. For example, when we talk about the macro level analysis of a population, we may call that if we analyze the process of globalization, it is a social process in which we may say that how macro level of sociology can be understood. It will it will include the study of sociology in a way that how interrelationships between nations, global economy, social changes, and effects of globalizations can be studied. As far as micro level sociology includes the following aspects: symbolic interactions, which involves the paradigm. In fact, that is a symbolic interactionist paradigm, which is very much interesting because we usually communicate with each other in a society through their symbols. For examples, when we see that a person is wearing a white coat, we find it that he is a doctor. Maybe she could be a nurse even. But if there is a symbol like a doctor, we start thinking like that he is a doctor. For example, if a lawyer is there and wearing a dress code, a specific dress code, we start thinking that he is a lawyer, he is a judge, he is a professor wearing that gown, etc. So, this is how symbolic interactionist paradigm works while we are interacting or studying the micro level of sociology. In small groups, we can study this one. In social units, social interactions, in our conversations, and there are different group dynamics that also involve that micro level sociology. If we indulge in the examples of micro level sociology, we are learning organizational culture at new workplace. This is one of the examples. There is a group conflict because we are always थिंकिंग इन डिफरेंट डोमेन्स. हम सब के अपने अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं और उसमें रहते हुए हम एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल जो है वो तजाद कर सकते हैं, उनसे इख्तलाफ कर सकते हैं. इख्तलाफ राय हमारा एक खुद ब खुद उभर आता है. सो दो स्टार्टेड अ ग्रुप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. सोशल कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ब्यूटी इन डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज. दिस इज हाउ a society is made up of, with such macro level and micro level analysis of sociological relationships. In those interactions or in those relationships, we learn a lot of things, that how communications are really a blessing for human beings when they are interacting with each other, because they involve different perspectives, and those diversified perspectives gives a beautiful I would say I would say that carve out a society in which there is a peace and there is morality and there is good prevails. जहाँ भी हम देखते हैं कि ऐसा एक खूबसूरत गुलदस्ता बन जाता है इंसानों का, जो एक दूसरे से पुरअमन तरीके से जो है वो बातचीत करते हैं, तो वहाँ पर एक बहुत ही अच्छी पुरसकून माशरा या सोसाइटी जो है वो क्रिएट होती है।